In this video, I'll show you how to get a Facebook ads credit coupon. First, sign into your Meta business account on your desktop and open Ads Manager. Next, check your notifications and account overview sections for any promotional offers from Meta. Sometimes Meta provides ad credits to new advertisers or as part of special promotions. After that, go to the Billing and Payments section and look for any available promotional credits already applied to your account. Now, visit the Meta for Business promotions and marketing pages from time to time. Meta occasionally offers advertising credits to eligible businesses and new advertisers. Next, if you're creating a new ad account, keep an eye on any promotional offers that may appear during the setup process. After that, check your business email regularly. Meta sometimes sends advertising credit offers directly to eligible advertisers through email campaigns. Now, if you receive a coupon code, open Ads Manager and go to Billing and Payments. Look for the option to add a promotional code and enter the coupon exactly as provided. Next, review the promotion terms and conditions. Some ad credits have spending requirements or expiration dates before they can be used. Finally, once the credit is applied, it will automatically be used toward eligible advertising costs when your campaigns start running. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a Facebook ads credit coupon. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.